Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Allied Blenders and Distilleries Ltd. Our analyst retains positive stance on Allied Blenders with a revised price target of Rs 495. With Zoya Special Batch Gin, Russian Standard Vodka and Arthos Blended Malt Scotch, the company is building strong luxury portfolio to improve its growth prospect in the long run. Management aims at strong operating performance in second half of FY25 with prestige and above category expected to register strong double-digit growth of 50%. Volume growth of 40% is expected. Operating profit margin improved by 352 bps year-on-year to 10.9% in first half of FY25. With strong growth in premium products, operating profit margins are expected to be much better compared to first half. The stock is currently trading at 35 times FY26 and 29 times FY27 estimated earnings. Next, we have an update on Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. Our analyst maintains positive view on HUDCO with a potential upside of 43%. AUM growth is expected to be robust at 27 to 30% CAGR over FY24 to 26. Management is also reasonably confident for resolving most of stressed asset, which is 2% of AUM by FY26. There is a room for ROE to expand to 16 to 18% from currently 12 to 13%, led by improvement in leverage, given the company is likely to see higher balance sheet growth and has robust CRAR of greater than 50%. We stay positive and expect a potential upside of 43%. Stock trades at 2.6 times FY25, 2.2 times FY26 and 1.9 times FY27 book value estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.